Now, mothers, we are going to do another mask where we are going to use the tissue paper. I know your child has already made one. Make sure that that mask is neatly done. If not, you can do it once more. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is you will take the size of tissue, 2 tissue you will take, and then same way like we did it for the hanky, bring it to the center. These 2 corners, bring it to the center. Now when you bring it to the center, see, it should be this way, okay, like a door. Okay. Now after doing this, we are going to make fan folds. What are fan folds? These are the fan folds. 1, and these kind of folds we will do 4. 1 from this side, then another one I am doing here, second. Okay, 1, then see, 2, same here, 2, 1 fold, 2 fold. Now again 3, 3, and then 1 more, that is the last fold. This is the 4th fold which we are doing. Yeah, 4th fold. Make sure when you do it, press it. So these are the 4 fan folds we did. See, after you did all the 4 folds, it has come together. Now turn it back, upside. Yeah, turn it back. Now what we are going to do, after you have done like this, the verses which I am going to give you on WhatsApp, that you will write in this way. Like ma'am has written here, fear not, for I am with you. In the same way, ma'am will give each child a different verse where she is going to write the verse. So, ma'am, I am writing here. God is good. Okay, I have written here God is good. Now, after I have written here, after you finish writing, then you do the folding. I mean sticking of the bands. Before that, don't do please. Okay, now here you finished. Now turn it back again. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use the elastics which you have stitched for your child. Keep it here, and then we will put a little bit of, use a little bit of glue gun by putting it inside. Put it inside. Put the glue gun in the center. Done. This thing, put it in the center. I know this is a little messy. Okay. Now after doing that, then you have to turn it, and then again put a little bit of glue gun. If you are not using glue, then you can use your Fevikwik. Okay. Press it for a little time, then come to the next side, put the band inside. After putting the band inside, and press the glue. Then put the glue on the tissue paper. Stick it inside again. Press it well so that it doesn't come out. And here you go. You can open this white and you can see that the mask is done. You can put it on the face. Spread it little bit so that the words written on it can be seen. And remember, these are all disposable masks, okay? Make sure that it covers the nose and your mouth. So this is the way we are going to make. Okay, and I will give you the wordings where your child is supposed to write. Okay, you can help your child to do the needful. See, I made this. Here's another one. Thank you. Have a good day.